Hi everybody. Garage doors are up on the garage, and if I press the buttons they actually go up. We got motion lights on the outside, and all four are done. And there's Jill's car and my truck. As I walk through the center area, you can see my collection of junk, tools, nuts and bolts, car supplies. And this is the area of the shed, the lawnmowers, and all my tools are over here. Still gotta thin this out a little bit thinner. Too much junk yet. All my hardware is over here, nuts and bolts. Daryl broke a tooth on his tractor the other day, so he came over and stole a 7/16 bolt to fix it. I told him, you're welcome to take what you need, but if you take the last thing, you gotta buy 2 more screws to refill my pile. These are the tools for the tractor. I got forklift. I get the forks and the grapple. Tractor is outside. But it's a real nice looking job they did. They put wood all around the frame, and then on the ceiling it's coming off of the rafters and the openers. And on this side I'll put my machines, my lathe and my milling machine. On this side there'll be a bench where that drill press is. I'll put a bench, and my toolboxes are here. So it's beginning to take shape. See you later.